Proverbs chapter 3, verse 1. My son, do not forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my commandments. For length of days and years of life, and peace they will add to you. Let not steadfast love and faithfulness forsake you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. So you will find favor and good success in the sight of God and man. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. God bless you, beloved friend. Have a nice day.